In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a budget in Xero. Whether you're new to budget management or just seeking to enhance your financial oversight, this step-by-step guide will make the process clearer and more manageable. Let's dive in. First, we'll start by navigating to the right area in Xero. When you're on the Xero dashboard, look towards the top bar and locate the Reporting tab. Click on this, and a drop-down menu will show up. From here, you'll want to select All Reports. This section is where you'll find a vast array of financial data and insights about your business, and it's where you can manage your budgets in a structured manner. Once you've arrived in the Reports section, your next move is to select Budget Manager. This tool is crucial for handling your budgeting needs as it allows you to track and organize different aspects of your financial plans within Xero. When you open it, don't be surprised to see your overall budget already displayed by default. This overview gives you a snapshot of your current financial status. To create a new budget, you're going to need to take a few more steps. Locate the Select Budget option at the top left of your screen. Clicking on it will provide a little menu from which you should choose Add New Budget. This is the pathway to initiating a brand new budget. After this step, it's time to enter a name for your newly created budget. Pick a name that clearly represents the objective or the department it pertains to, making it easy to identify later on. A thoughtfully chosen name can be incredibly beneficial, especially when managing multiple budgets. Now that you have named your budget, you will notice blue fields appear on your screen. These fields are where you will input your financial data. Populate these fields with the numbers that pertain to your new budget. Make sure to double-check any entries for accuracy, as these figures are the foundation of your budgeting strategy. If part of your budget involves forecasting sales or making projections, Xero has a handy feature for you. When you enter some values, an arrow appears next to them, allowing you to apply formulas. By clicking on this arrow, you can use formulas to predict various financial elements, offering you insightful projections that are crucial for informed decision-making. Experiment with this feature to see how different scenarios might impact your budget. Once you have completed all your entries and reviewed your data, the final step is to click Apply. This action will save your new budget, integrating it into your financial reports. So make sure everything is correctly entered before clicking this button. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you've successfully added a budget in Xero. Whether you're planning for future investments, tracking expenses, or analyzing performance, having a well-structured budget is an indispensable part of financial management. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy budgeting.